Jeff is back in court to claim the outstanding balance of £2,280 from a friend who has failed to make the repayments on the remainder of a loan. Defendant Irie says repayment was dependent on the success of his music career, and as he has not made any profit, he says he owes nothing.
Do I have Jeff here?
Yes, Judge.
It's nice to see you again, Jeff. And who are you with this time?
My wife, Judge.
I remember hearing about the wife last time. Only the wife wasn't in court, was she, Jeff?
No, Judge.
Only the wife was the one to suffer as a result of the case that you bought last time, right, Jeff?
Yes, Judge.
Because that's Irie. Nice to see you again, Irie.
See you, Judge.
I wasn't being honest. I'm very unhappy to see you again. Last time we met, Irie, it was quite clear to me that Jeff had an enforceable debt against you. And that was because he lent you £3,000 or thereabouts for work that was going to be completed by you. It was for your music. You are a reggae artist, correct?
Correct.
Amongst other things. Do you remember that?
Yes.
At the time that you had bought your case, although I found you had an enforceable contract, he only owed £600 when you brought the case to my court. Now, subsequent to leaving court, I recall Irie telling me he was going to do his best to pay you. Do you remember that?
Yes, Judge.
I'd say that was correct, but not correct.
What does that mean, sir?
It means that the song didn't sell, so the money wasn't coming in. If the money's not coming in, you can't pay it back.
When I issued judgment to Jeff, at what point did I make the fact that you had to pay him back, or your agreement to pay him back, at what point was that contingent on you selling out the song Ride Like a Roller Coaster? Did I say that? I didn't, did I?
No, Judge.
Now, so how much has he paid you back after you were issued judgment of £600?
Nothing, Judge.
Well, that can't have been terribly easy for you, I would have thought.
No, Judge.
Well, how's life been for you, Jeff? Where are you currently living?
Still in a mobile home.
Now, madam, what's your name? Do step forward.
Melanie.
Now, your name is what?
Melanie.
Melanie, also known as?
Mel.
Or the wife. As I understand it, life has got rather difficult, correct?
Yes.
Did you know that your husband gave £3,000 to Irie?
Not all of it.
How much of it?
Over 1,000.
And how did it go at home when you discovered that Jeff had actually lent in excess of £3,000?
I wasn't very happy, sir.
Well, how did you communicate that?
With a lot of shouting.
Remember that?
Yes, Judge.
Because the point is, not only did you spend £3,000 which you didn't have permission for from your wife, some of it, by the way, money which was going to go to the two of you, things have not been easy in terms of your health, correct?
No.
What's going on?
I've just had total knee replacement. My joints are getting a lot worse.
What else? As I understand it, it's got even worse than that in terms of your living situation. What's going on with the mobile home?
We're arguing a lot. With the money that we're asking for back is to pay for our ground rent next year so that we can stay where we are.
In other words, having forwarded this man £3,000, the consequence now is that your home is at risk.
Yes, sir.
How do you feel about that, Irie?
So, not too good about that, in a sense.
Not too good? Well, how do you plan to pay them back? Do you have a new single by any chance which may succeed?
Yeah.
What's the next song called, sir?
Bum like a plum.
What did he say? What?
I believe he said bum like a plum.
Is this a reggae song?
Yeah, it was kind of Hispanic reggae.
An Hispanic reggae song?
Yeah.
What sort of reggae is Hispanic reggae?
Multicultural.
I am now going to sing you a reggae.
No, it's got an Hispanic lick.
Redemption song. Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.